How's everybody doing? I'm just coming back from the pine straw location, picking up some pine straw for the job we got tomorrow. And we've been pretty busy, guys. Now, I wanted to address the video that I made in regards to becoming a vegetarian. So this video, I'll go ahead and give you guys, where I get my recipes from. Hold up, as a matter of fact, let's go in my backyard because, we got a lot of traffic and my neighbors are coming out. All right, stand by. Just wanted to do a quick follow-up on the video that I put out yesterday in regards to becoming a vegetarian. Again, guys, I'm not an expert on this topic. I just wanted to share. These dogs, stop! They're just running around the whole place. I just want to share with you my good fortune and not just kind of hold it. Okay, much better now. Again, just wanted to share my good fortune and kind of convey, show you guys, or kind of inform you of there's other ways that we can prevent us from taking medication 24/7. Now, some people ask, how do I eat? It's fairly simple. All you have to do is go on YouTube, look up breakfast recipes for vegetarian, lunch recipes for vegetarian / vegan, dinner recipes, vegetarian dinner recipes. Go on YouTube and you will find a plethora of information for you guys. It's not as bad as you may think. Just imagine going to the restaurant and you order a plate of fettuccine alfredo. Just have them put the chicken to the side. That's it. And if you have your kids, your wife, they can eat the chicken and you just eat the pasta. A balance with everything you do. Like I said before, I'm not an expert. I'm a ordinary guy like you that wants to do something different and see if it works. It worked for me. Hopefully it'll work for you. It may not work for you. I don't know. Try it. That's all I ask. Try it for 2 weeks and see how you feel. I feel much lighter, refreshed. I feel free. Again, it's hard to kind of explain, but I feel much better, guys, and that's all that counts. Now and then I will put these type of videos on my channel. If you don't want to watch and just lawn care related, that's fine, but I feel that this is something that we as green industry guys should be aware of. Your health. You're out there mowing by yourself. You got to be, in fairly good health. You don't want to be out there with an issue and God forbid you're out there mowing, string trimming or blowing and something bad happens to you because of something that you can prevent. Another thing, guys, is that spring will be here pretty soon. A lot of us are in that sedentary mode. We're just chilling, taking it easy, relaxing, eating up all that good stuff, getting some of that weight, and then spring will hit you and you got to go out there and you got to perform. And as you guys know, when spring hit, everybody wants things done. So keep yourself in shape. It's not hard, guys. Do something. Your foods, when you go out there, get your things that basically ingredients that you can read, ingredients that you understand. If it has some mono, something that you cannot pronounce, then maybe you should try to find something different. Other than that, guys, I just wanted to make a part 2 to this and answer some questions that people had. And again, it's all about taking care of you. You are your business. Take care of you. If you're not doing it for yourself, do it for your family. All right, guys. Peace. Pop Smoke.